Hello, today I like to explain something regarding the P40.2, the pneumatic pump of SIKA. So this is the pump, this is the hose, yeah. This is the connection port for the device under test. And then this, of course, is the connection port for the reference. I like to disassemble the reference. So this works very easy. And so now I have no connections even on the reference port or on the port for the device under test. And time by time it could happen that some substances from the device under test comes through the hose into the pressure body of the pump. And to clean the pump, it's very easy. So that means you go in this direction, the hose down to earth something, and then start pumping, yeah, several times. And by doing this, the substances comes out here, and even some substances which are in the hose will be dropped out. And even then you can close the outlet valve and also the port. And so that means the pressure goes back through the hose and pushes out all the substances from the hose.